Welcome to the new video. So today topic is about the strong and the weak points and how you can identify them on the live chart. It is a really powerful video because it will help you to identify the valid supply and the demand zones because there are criteria for finding the valid supply and demand zones, and the criteria are it has to break the structure, like it has to break the last weak low and the strong low. There should be an imbalance between the candles, and price has to shift the liquidity before going the up or down. So these are the three criteria that you should follow before finding the valid supply and the demand zone. So let's start the video. So from here, price is in a bullish trend. Price made a break of structure from here, went to the upside, and we mark this as a weak high. Why? Because price didn't break the last strong low, right? If price made a strong if price made a break of structure from here and break the last strong low, it will be considered as the strong high. But what price did is price made a break, price went to the upside but didn't break the last strong low, and then again made a break of structure from here and went to the upside. So that's why we mark this as a weak high and mark this as a strong low. And after then what happen is, let me remove, and after then price made a break of structure from here also, went to the upside but didn't break the last strong low, right? Didn't break the last strong, this one. And price and after that price made a break of structure from here, and we mark this as a weak high. Why? Because this also didn't break the last strong low. If it break the last strong low, it will be considered the strong high, right? So this is how you can mark the strong high and the weak strong low and the weak highs, guys, right? So let's mark this is in a bearish trend. From here price is in a bearish trend. Price went to the downside, made a pullback, and from here what price did is price made a break of structure from here, and we mark this as a strong low. Why? Because this pullback didn't break the last strong high, right? Right. If it break the last strong high, it will be considered as the strong low. But what price did is price made a pullback from here, and then again break the last weak low, and then we mark this as a strong high. Why? Because this pullback didn't break the last strong high but made a break of structure from here. So there is also another possible scenario you can mark. Let me tell you, if price moves something like this, how will we mark this as a strong low and a weak low? It will be considered as a strong, it will be considered as a strong low, right? This price considered as a weak, let me mark this considered as a weak high, because this didn't break the last strong low. This move will be marked as a weak low because this didn't break the last week high. This is also a weak high, and this is also a weak high. So now what can happen is, if price made a break of structure from here, this move will be considered as a this move will be considered as a strong low, right? This move will be considered as strong low, and you can mark this as your demand zone, right? If price made a break of structure from here. And there is also another possibility. If price made a break of structure from here and broke the last strong low, price made a break of structure from here and broke the last strong low, it will be considered as a strong high, right? There are also possibility. And what is this? This is an internal structure, and you can't trade this as a valid demand and supply zones, right? So I will be explaining on the live chart, and then you will better understand how you can mark weak high and the strong lows. Right. So now let me go on the daily chart. You will better understand. Yes. So now from here, this will be your weak high. This will be a strong low. Price made a break of structure from went to the upside. This will be considered as your weak low. This is also considered as a weak high. But from here, what price did is price means the last strong low and went to the downside, and it will be and this move considered as a strong high. Right, this move. What price made a break of structure from this is a strong high, and this is a weak low. This is a strong high. This is a weak low. This is a strong high. This is a weak low. This is a strong high. This is a weak low. Strong high. Weak low. Strong high. Weak low. And then price made a pullback and broke the last strong high. From here, price made the last strong high, and this move will be considering as your strong low, right? So this is how you can mark strong highs and strong lows on your live chart, and it will be really helpful for you. So please, if you like the video, please subscribe and share it to your friends, and I'll be coming with the next video tomorrow, right? Thanks guys for watching the video. If you haven't watched the other videos, please go and watch. Thank you.